Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2007 Cadillac STS. So, if I'm not mistaken, this is based on the exact same platform as the Impala and the LaCrosse. Obviously, driven a LaCrosse, or was it Lucerne? I believe it was the LaCrosse. No, the LaCrosse was on Malibu. It might have been the Lucerne. I don't know, okay? Listen, I was 7 years old when this car came out. I wasn't really studying which exact platform these were on. And we took this in on trade, so I didn't really expect to be driving it. This one has the V6. You could get the North Star V8, but given the issues with the head gaskets and all that fun stuff in the North Star, this is probably the more reliable option. 104,000 miles, some little warning lights on, check engine, check airbag, you know, like stuff like that. Ironically, the electronic door latch, it does stick sometimes, but it's operating fine today. Nice interior. And then up in here, these are your parking sensor distance locate. It flashes red lights and such to let you know how close you are. I'm pretty sure I just stepped in mud. I did, because I stepped down and just went squish. So that's nice. A little bit of rust here, nothing too bad. Rides and drives decently. This is, of course, one of our auction cars, but you know, pretty cool cars. This is before Cadillac reinvented themselves and started going for a younger demographic and started making Blackwing everythings. But the old soul in me kind of likes these. I like this era of Cadillac. Obviously, I've driven I think it was an 06 XLR, and it was basically a Corvette after you had your midlife crisis. Glove box, of course. Got your welcome to OnStar. Ooh, it's still got the original. See, oh god, I can only imagine the fun I could have with that. Listening to the OnStar DVD, the whole review. Free napkins. Sunroof. No, so it's not in bad shape at all. Right. No backup camera, just the sensors. This mirror, you know, has seen better days. Looks like maple syrup. There's a little suspension clunk. So how can I describe driving this car? Have you ever driven a sofa? Ever thought about driving a sofa? That's exactly what this is like. If you ever thought about, all right, what's driving a sofa like? That's exactly this. Ironically, it's pretty Rolls-Royce-esque. When I drove the Dawn, the one thing I thought about was, okay, this is just kind of luxurious. It's just comfortable. You don't really feel like you're driving. This isn't to that level, but it's got whispers of it. I do feel like, okay, this is extremely comfortable. I could be in this all day long. You know, for not being the V8, she still accelerates pretty good. then you just cruise. I mean, I could drive this thing across the country. This is one of the most comfortable seats. Again, it's been broken in over many, many years, but this is just comfy. I get it. Listen, I'm old. I'm only 24, but I'm old. I'm an old soul, but this thing is just nice. I don't know what to tell you. It's just a nice place to be. Braking. Let's see here. Cornering. Come on, baby. Oh, it's not bad, but these seat bolsters are not made for this. Cadillac STS. Oh yeah. Ooh, scrub a dub car wash coin. Do that. Empty slot of nothing. This was chock full of CDs. Took those out for the owner. Oh, CHR, come on. I know you got all of 10 horsepower, but I'm not getting stuck behind a semi-truck. Suspension. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.